notify SSA and use a pure balance. Use the analytical balance. This is the analytical balance, and it's very good. Before you start, it's really sensitive, so you can't lean on the bench or put anything around it, or else you get a wrong reading. And you have to make sure that all the doors are closed, because even air in there will make noise. And before you use it, you have to make sure that the balance is balanced.
By making sure the circle on the back is inside the black line, the black circle.
Get a correct reading on your mask.
Sorry.
First, you must measure the mass of the empty beaker.
And you have to make sure that
the mass is at 0 before you start.
Open the door and then you'll inside the analytical balance. And then you shut the door.
You have to wait until the number stabilizes.
Okay.
Ours is 70.166 grams. Then you record that in your notebook.
Now I will zero the analytical balance and make
Put it back on.
Having little technical difficulties, but it's alright. Okay, there we go.
Okay, make sure it's cleared. And then it says 0.
Alright. That whatever we measure in grams will be only our solution.
I'm going to take the solution. To 40 ml. Make sure you're looking at eye level and I don't know. Then you put the solution into the analytical balance. And our measurement is 35.286 grams per milliliter.
Don't forget to put the volume of the solution, which is 40 milliliters, down.
Hello, my name is Rachel Williams, and I'll continue the discussion about the analytical balance. Alright, first we start with the empty analytical balance, and we make sure to tab it out. So, it's tab. Alright. Now, I open up the door, and I place the empty beaker with the analytical balance. I wait until it's settled, and I report mass of the empty beaker by itself,
Which is 70.202 grams.
And when you're measuring, make sure to use the same balance, because naturally it's always going to be a percent of error, but to reduce our error, we use the same balance over and over for each measurement. And I pour it into the beaker. I'm going to pour 60 milliliters. Make sure I'm at eye level to ensure that I measured the most accurate amount. Until it gets my volume, I place and balance.
And this is the
10.604 grams
is the mass of the beaker in the water. So I recorded under mass of water and beaker. If I water, I subtract the mass of the beaker and water, 110.603 minus the mass of the empty beaker, which is 70.202, and I get 40.401.
Now I'm going to measure my sample of water. First, you stare at make it now at 0. You put your empty beaker into the valve. And then record your reading, which is 70.295 grams. Now we put the weight of the balance of the, so we put this right here. To get just the mass of the water, you have to subtract the beaker and water weight, subtract the empty beaker weight. So you do 103.436 minus 2.93. The mass of just our water is 32.511 grams.